This bookbinding method, which uses a stapler, is perfect for books that aren't too thick. To make a staple-bound book, you'll need a ruler, paper for both the covers and pages, scissors, tape, which is optional, a pencil, and a stapler. First, figure out the size of your book. Think about how you'll be using the book and base the size off of that. I'm making a book for quick observational sketches, so it can be small. After you've determined the size of your book, select paper for the covers and pages. I'm using thicker construction paper for the covers and printer paper for the pages, but any type of paper will work. Next, cut down the covers and pages to the same size. I used a ruler to measure the covers and used those measurements to carefully trim my paper using the ruler as a straight edge. You could also use scissors instead of the ruler, but your paper may not be perfectly straight. Assemble your book by making sure the pages are aligned in between the two covers. Staple the pages together along the binding edge about a ½ inch in. Unless you have a heavy-duty stapler, you are limited to a small amount of pages in your book. However, it was easy for my basic stapler to go through the 12 pages and 2 covers of my book. When your book is stapled and bound, an optional step is to cover the staples and spine of the book with tape, using your fingers to press the tape down and scissors to trim off any excess. I used blue painter's tape, but duct tape would also work. That's how simple it is to make a staple-bound book. This is a basic book structure with a lot of room for creativity and customization. Play around with different color combinations and types of papers, like food packaging boxes, greeting cards, paint chips, postcards, or even old pieces of artwork. The possibilities are endless.